Good afternoon, everybody. It is Saturday, Memorial Day weekend, and we are having an open house. The wind is blowing. It's a beautiful day out. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, about 2,200 square foot for $449,000. Nice big yard, about 9,000 square foot. 3-car garage and RV parking. Take a quick look through the house. As you enter through the front door, oh, look at that cool poster. I like it. Of course, I'm the only one here, but anyway, that's my little team. Anyway, this is the living room. Needs new carpet and paint throughout. This is the dining room with the step up. Again, carpet, paint, drapes, or blinds. Who does drapes anymore? Has a little eat-in kitchen area. Little bay window thing. Kitchen serviceable, but of course it could use a remodel as well. People that lived here were original owners, so not much has been done. And in the family room, there is a fireplace and slider leading to the backyard. Backyard is huge. A little bit of a view. Maybe get those neighbors to cut their trees down or trim them. Anyway, plenty of room for a pool or just a huge play area. On the side yard where the RV parking was, it's all fenced in, so whether you got dogs or RV, that'll work over there. Upstairs and to the left, facing the backyard, is the master. Nothing worse than being in the picture, so I'll try not to be in the pictures. Ah, too bad, too late. Oh, double sink. And a shower in the master, which has been modified. The other upstairs bathroom is a dual sink as well. It's been fixed up a little bit. And there's bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3, facing the front of the house. So, we're at 17078 Lakepointe Drive in Riverside in the community of Lake Hills. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, large lot, large yard, whatever, 3-car garage, $449,000. Give me a call, 951-313-6080, or call the number on the sign, which is the office. But that's okay, it'll still come to me. Everybody have a good Saturday. Oh, wait, did I mention? Actually, it's kind of a nice view. It is up in Lake Hills, so you actually do have a pretty good view, pretty much from wherever you're at. All right, everybody. Have a good Memorial Day weekend.